Ka State United Democratic Party UDP kala ong ba ka Jingwan kibru kibana ba Jylla sya ka Jylla ka kerteng ne da ka ba syuan bela omla ban pediang setia. Halor ka ne na kaliang unong lam ka UDP ba med ba lengdo ula kentu ya ka sorka Jylla ban te lakam ya ka ne ka Jingwan jong kibar da ka ba Pyntreikam ru ya ki an ki ba la don.
Government has in place all the rules and regulation and guidelines. How do you those big companies, contractors, about the laborers, who are coming from outside the state, and for the locals also at the same time. But I feel that practice has to be given to the local if they can, uh, you know, they can perform those nature of work, those kind of works, which they their know-how is is with them. But there are a few things also which we have to look at it. That few technical issues or works which have to be carried out by some, not the locals. I think those things also we have to look at it so that the overall, projects and all should not be disturbed in the process. But government has to ensure also that there has those laws, those guidelines which they have laid down. I think those has to be followed, seriously. We can't allow this kind of illegal, flow of people from outside the state to our state, just in the name of, laborers. Because that is also very alarming for the state and for the indigenous people.